Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 3. Gamsahamnida, which means thank you in Korean. The word Gamsahamnida is the combination of Gamsa and Hamnida. Gamsa means thankfulness and gratitude, while Hamnida means I do or I am. So when you say Gamsahamnida, it means you are thankful or you are saying thank you. Again, Gamsahamnida is being thankful or saying thank you. How do you write Gamsahamnida in Hangul? It is composed of 5 syllables, but let's start with the first 2, which is Gamsa. The first syllable Gam is formed from the combination of the Gyuk character, A character, and Mim's character. The second syllable Sa is formed from the combination of the Siyat and A character. Now let's go to the last 3 syllables, Hamnida. The third syllable Hap is formed from the combination of the Hiya, A, and Biup sound. Even though it has a Biup sound at its ending, it is pronounced as Ham since it is followed by a Nian character on the syllable Ni. Ni is formed from Nian and I, and Da is formed from Dikat and A. Gamsahamnida. And with that, you've just learned Gamsahamnida. Now you might be confused between Gamsahamnida and Kamsahamnida. But please know that this romanization is just the same word. It's just Gamsahamnida, and Gyuk could be alternatively written as G or K in English. Again, Gamsahamnida or Kamsahamnida, they're just the same word, which means thank you in Korean. Now let's proceed to our word recap. The first word we studied is Annyeong Haseyo, which means hello, in an informal but polite manner. Word number 2 is Annyeong Hasimnikka. This is the more formal way of saying hello in Korean. And our word for today is Gamsahamnida, which means thank you in a formal manner. Congrats! Up next on Dae-Hangul, we will study another word, which is 죄송합니다. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.